married to Katie. We have 2 children.
We've known Elliot for a number of years now, so followed him to a few different locations. So we were looking to refinance, and Nestor came out and met with us and went over all the pros and cons of different services and locations that we could refinance with. We settled on the one that suited us and our needs the most, and then he did all the legwork for us, and we could just sit back and wait for the loan to be approved.
So for us, it meant that we were able to renovate the house, take out a lot of subpar products through the house and update and renovate to what we have now.
So we've now gone from a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house to a 3-bedroom, hopefully soon to be 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. And we've been able to make sure, so we had some ceiling issues and things like that were making it a little bit unsafe for the house, and we've been able to repair all those. So we have a safe and secure house that is now much more energy efficient and better suits our needs and our family.
Yes, absolutely.
Definitely would do, and we already are.